which will affect your relationship if you think about it, because if you can get it up but you're tired, right? Or if it stays up and it never goes down and you have to walk around.
Whoa, that's not cool. That's a medical emergency right there. We wouldn't want that to happen.
But my point is, there's so many other side effects. You can't stop eating, or you're eating too much, or whatever it is, right? You're itching, who knows, right? It will affect you in other areas of your life.
Yeah.
So it's like people think I'll try to solve it with this one problem while they're creating another problem.
100%. Because the thing is, at the end of the day, like, our body was never meant to be forced to perform. It's supposed to be natural, and it's supposed to be meant to be as you have good natural fuel into your body to be able to have those situations and enjoy those situations, right?
Right. So if you eat what we're about to suggest,
yep,
maybe that will help you.
No, it will help you. It helped me 100%.
Yeah.
And I think the first thing is just eat lots of greens.
Yes, and the perfect way, it boosts your entire system, right? And one of the perfect ways I think to get it in is in salads.
Yep.
In smoothies.
Yep.
Right? You mix it into scrambles.
Yes. Be creative with it.
Just be very creative. Yes, just get it in. And you don't need, and if you don't like kale, there's other greens. There's other greens besides kale.
Yeah.
If you like lettuce, if you like arugula, there's so many different greens out there.
Yep. And the medical side behind that is that they're full of like nitric acid. Mm-hmm. Nitric acid, that's not bad. Nitric oxide.
Oh, sorry. I was thinking nitric oxide as you said nitric acid. I don't know why. I'm guilty.
And what that does is that dilates your blood vessels. So we got more blood flow or bigger blood vessels, more blood flow, and more blood flows in the proper places.
Gosh. Better performance, right?
Correct. You know about that, right?
Oh, gosh.
Yeah. So the second thing are beans.
Yes. Believe it or not, they stabilize your blood sugar.
Yes.
And if you cannot tolerate beans, you don't want to have an issue in the bedroom. You just start with a little, okay? And one of the tips and trick, if you can't eat a lot of beans, is to start small. Start with a couple tablespoons. And what I do is I go to the store and I get something called Kombu. Kumbu.
No.
You can get it from the health food store or even Whole Foods. And I just put a small piece into the beans when I'm cooking the beans, and that helps enzymes from that transfer into the beans, and it helps to break down in your tummy.
Look at that.
So
that's a nice little hack right there.
Yes. So there's ways to eat, and you can eat beans in burritos or in tacos. You can eat beans in salads. And there's so many different recipes out there.
Just
and
any
soups,
kind of bean, right?
Stews, any kind of beans.
Yeah, so the thing behind beans is that it's a carbohydrate, which is a primary source of energy for the body. And it's a good carbohydrate because then you have a lot of fiber, which allows you to extend the life of the sugar, keeps it a little bit fuller, and stabilizes the blood sugar, just like you said.